The Lagos State government has unveiled a new technology-driven safety initiative aimed at preventing workplace accidents and improving real-time monitoring across industries. The program introduced at the third Lagos State Occupational Safety and Health Conference includes the deployment of drone safety apps and body cameras with thermal sensors to enhance surveillance and hazard detection in high-risk sectors such as construction, manufacturing, and hospitality. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, represented by the media advisor Boyega Kosile, said the initiative reflects Lagos' commitment to predictive governance using technology to identify and resolve safety issues before they escalate. He also inaugurated the Safety First campaign and unveiled the occupational safety cadre, described as the first of its kind in sub-Saharan Africa to professionalize safety management within the state's public service. The governor noted that these measures are part of a broader policy framework aimed at ensuring every worker in Lagos returns home safely after each day's work. Commissioner for Special Duties Olubenga Oyerinde reaffirmed the safety or the government's dedication to workplace safety, while LSSC Director General Dr. Lanre Mojola announced plans to integrate artificial intelligence into the state's safety operations. Mojola explained that AI-powered analytics alongside the use of drones and digital monitoring systems will enable faster risk detection and strengthen enforcement under the reporting of injuries, incidents, and dangerous occurrences regulations. Officials say these innovations will move Lagos closer to achieving its goal of injury-free workspaces